I try not to bore you too much with what I'm going to talk about, but this is a BMW 2 Series diesel 2015. Now this applies to the 3 Series, 1 Series, 4 Series, anything with a diesel engine with a high pressure fuel sensor. Now this one went into BMW for an EGR recall, or the third time, and the engine management light was on when it went, and I did read it, and it came up with MAF sensor, which obviously I was going to change after. Luckily I did take it to BMW because BMW found the fault, which I'm very pleased about, but they actually quoted to repair the fault just shy of £9,000. Now the car's only worth half that. So I will say what it was, and hopefully go for there and help some people with some finances. Okay, I'm just going to show you now. Now the engine management, the MAF sensor is here. This is what was the problem in the first place, but it went to BMW for the EGR cooler recall. When it was in there, they said that the reason why this had gone is because this bad boy had gone, which is the fuel pressure sensor. So they quoted me just shy of £9,000 to change everything, which means turbo, ECU, MAF sensor, because this bad boy leaks past the switch into the wiring, which is there. Now obviously it's at high pressure, it pumps diesel through the wires, and I mean the metal bits of the wires, because it becomes over pressure, so it goes from here to here to here to here to here to all the injectors to the ECU. Now I managed to, luckily with a friend of mine, very good friend of mine, to change this, which is basically from BMW, comes as the whole thing through all these pipes just for this switch, which is about 300 quid. I was lucky enough that when I went to change this was under pressure for this from the old one. So basically there's a little rubber ring, a bit like this one. It's not this one, but a bit like that inside there, which stops water getting in there, but also it stops any fluid coming through the sensor to your wires under massive pressure. So everything, even this little wire here, went all the way through the wires, every single cable into the ECU, which is over there, or in there. We removed everything and cleaned it. The ECU was just about to be filled up with diesel. That's why obviously it ruins absolutely everything. But really it's this. But it can be saved. If you pull this connector off, there is a rubber behind it. So even this new one I put on, I've taken this apart and taken the rubber off, which stops water getting in. But at the end of the day, if water gets up there, you're in trouble, because this is your inlet into there. Goodbye engine. So I pulled that off. So now even if this does go in the future, yeah, it will pour out diesel here, but it won't ruin everything else. So I hope this has been preventative maintenance. If you've got one, if I was you, I'd just bang that off, pull the little rubber off, which isn't this one because this is off another vehicle, and then it will stop you having the problem in the future. I bought a brand new one here and I've taken the rubber off. And it's not just on this model, it's on every single diesel BMW make. They are aware of it. They will not let you know. They will not give you any money toward it. They should have recalled all cars as far as I'm concerned, but they didn't. So I hope this has been educational to anyone. It definitely helped me out from the guy who told me. So I'm just passing it on.